Dependable, practical, and ready for everyday use. This is a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan wheelchair accessible van, featuring a trusted AMS Vans conversion. Designed for reliability and convenience, this Grand Caravan delivers smooth, accessible transportation with a proven AMS Vans automatic side entry fold-out ramp system. Whether for families, caregivers, or individual drivers, it's built to make mobility simple and stress-free. The automatic fold-out ramp extends effortlessly to provide quick and secure access for wheelchair users. Finished in a clean silver exterior with a comfortable black cloth interior, this van offers a modern, practical look that's built to last. Inside, you'll find a spacious cabin designed for easy maneuvering and comfortable travel. Powered by Dodge's dependable 3.6-liter V6 engine, this Grand Caravan continues to deliver smooth and consistent performance, even with 100,400 miles on the odometer. It's a testament to Dodge reliability and solid engineering. This 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan is a proven, affordable mobility solution backed by AMS Vans engineering. With its reliable automatic ramp system and spacious design, it's the perfect combination of value, functionality, and everyday dependability. For more details, visit automobilitystore.com or call us today at 800-431-3183. Let us help you find the wheelchair accessible van that's right for your lifestyle.